Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. We have the Yaklim 2-pack clip-on lights. These are good for camping, running, hiking, walking your dog, and just allows other people to be able to see you. There's 4 different modes. We'll walk through all that here in just 1 second, right after we unbox it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You'll see it comes with a charging cord and 2 LED running clips. You will want to go ahead and remove the twist tie. So it does come with a USB cord, and so it has 2 USB-Cs that will plug into the side of these, and just our normal USB. Go ahead and plug that in, and then we'll go ahead and plug both of these in here. So you'll go ahead and pull these out of the package. Take both of these, go ahead and pull open the side, and we'll go ahead and plug it in. It should turn red to see if it needs charged, and then it'll be green. Oh, I hit the light on. And then we'll go ahead and get the second one. Same thing. Go ahead and plug that in. Both of these should be red if they need charged. They'll turn green whenever they are done charging. So we'll give it some time and let them charge up before we do our official test. Okay, both of these has fully charged now, so we can go ahead and pull those off, and we will go ahead and close them up just to make sure they are waterproof. I'm going to do some testing outside, and it is kind of rainy out, and so we will go ahead and see what they look like. So we'll go ahead and turn both on. So that is the first setting that they have. So that first setting will last you about 2 hours per charge. And then we'll go ahead and click to the next one. This is a kind of low setting. This will get you 4.5 hours. And then we're going to move to kind of a red safety. This is 4.5 hours. And lastly, a kind of flashing red, which is supposed to last 10 hours. These things are very light and compact. They have some really good clips as well that allow it to stay on things without falling off. So both of those have kind of that spring-loaded clip and those teeth on it that just really help catch onto things and hold them where they need to be. And it's easy to charge these. You could see you just plug them in, and they also have that kind of waterproofing case on it that is really good and just allows you to be able to go and to do different things outside, whether it's camping, hiking, whether you're going for an evening run or walking the dog, all those different things. Again, so much more can be done with a simple light like this. And the cool thing about this is you can put one on the front of you and one on the back of you to just ensure that you are as safe as you can be, especially when it's dark outside. So let's go ahead and test these out in a real life circumstance. So here is a real life test. We're going to head up to where the lights are. That's about 300 feet away. And we're going to have one on the front and one on the back. So I'm going to clip it to the collar on my back and kind of where my shirt is on the front. And so you'll be able to see both the front and the back as I walk away. You do want to be safe whenever you're doing any kind of night running or walking or hiking. And this just allows you to be safe. You can use the red or the white. Both of those have 2 features for a total of 4 features, and has a pretty long run time as well. So I've gone about 200 feet now. I'm going to go a little bit more, and then I will turn around and head back. Both of these are very nice in the fact that they are pretty much waterproof with those covers, and you can go out when it's like it is now, kind of rainy and nasty. And then we'll go ahead and turn around and go ahead and walk back. I'm going to change up from flashing to just the bright one on the front and the back. I'm going to do a little turn here, a little 360, so you can see what that looks like. And then as I head back, it should get brighter and brighter. This just keeps you safe when you are outside at night. It gets dark very early here this time of year, so this is a great addition to being able to take the dog for a walk, taking a run, or just staying safe as you are out in the after dark hours. Overall, I really like these lights. They are super nice and bright. The clips work really well. Overall, I definitely think it's something if you're interested in getting some lights that are outdoor walking lights or hiking lights or running lights, these would be a great option for you to get because they are super bright and they recharge, and you'll be able to use them for years and years to come. So my unbiased opinion on these, I really do like them. I like the option that you have that you can change what they do. They give you 4 different options, and you can change them up to give you lots of range on what you're wanting, whether you want a light or whether you want a flasher. And they also charge really easy with that double plug USB-C, and they're made pretty quality. They're lightweight but firm. The clips work really well. I can't wait to be able to use these whenever I'm outside, just to keep me safe as I walk the dog and do some different activities outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.